Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today's Garifuna lesson, or Garifuna lesson. We're taking a look at one of the most hated places, and this is a place that everyone tries to avoid at all costs. It's the hospital. Hospital in Garifuna is Lifidali. And today's lesson at the hospital in Garifuna is Lifidali Rugu. And today's first hospital related Garifuna word is drivers. Drivers in Garifuna is Abuga Hatia. Next, mothers delivering babies in Garifuna is Aguria Hatia. Next, needle. Needle in Garifuna is Agusa. And medication in Garifuna is Arani. Bedpan or Chembapat in Garifuna is Basinug. Next, visitors. Visitors in Garifuna is Bisidatia. Next is doctor. Doctor in Garifuna is Surusia. Next, nurse. Nurse in Garifuna is Oyuahatia. Bench or chair in Garifuna is Hello. Bed in Garifuna is Gabana. Patient in Garifuna is Sanditia. Machine in Garifuna is Mahina. And finally, the deceased in Garifuna is Hilaya.